Aloha, Onoi, Goodyear Ka'opua Ko'uinoa. I'm one of the co-facilitators for today. This is the Hanai Kumu workshop for Kahalehuaka. Today was day 2 of the workshop. We had an amazing day and a half with such committed, passionate kumu from various islands that were here. You know, these are the teachers who are raising keiki, who are building community, and so Hanai Kumu is all about feeding them information, feeding them fun, feeding them actual food, and feeding them appreciation and strategies for how they can center Hawaiian knowledge in their classrooms and how they can just create an environment that connects, builds pilina between their haumana, the communities that they come from, and the aina where they're located.
I live in Hawaii and I teach in Hawaii, and our public school kids really need to every day know about where they live and all the deeper meanings of this place. And I think without the kumus, like myself, deepening our understanding of where we are and what this all means, we can't teach that to our kids.
Aupuni Palapala is a series of professional development workshops that we designed for Hawaii's kumu, Hawaii's administrators, educators, everyone that is working with keiki of all ages in Hawaii. It's a 3-part series. The first part is ho'okumu, and ho'okumu means to establish or to allow our kumu, our educators, to reacquaint themselves with their stories, their mo'okuaha, their genealogy or lineage of kumu that they extend from, the values that were instilled within them. We take them to a journey and experiences that hopefully help to surface and ignite those stories within them and use it to inspire their teaching philosophy statement, which they draft with us together as a group.
So I think basically what it is it's finding my why too, and it's bringing us back to the very core of who we are with the utilization of our cultural practices. And even us as adults, we're taught that it's not okay to think the way we do or feel the way we do and learn the way we do, because we don't learn in a traditional classroom. So I think even recentering myself and finding that within my peers makes that much more of a difference. So I think if I can feel this way, then I'm excited to help others and influence others to feel that way too.
Everybody point to your piko, your belly button. The piko, and this connects us Hawaiians to our makua, to the generations above us. And we all have them, that's how we got here. And so in this time, we open up ourselves to not just your kua, whoever that may be for you, but also to the ancestors who put us here. It gives us accountability. And make the kids understand that they are accountable to the knowledge that they carry as well too. You don't give a kid a knife and just let them go run around and play with them, huh? Knowledge is very important. Treat it like it's sacred.
I love the idea of being able to actually take kuaka'i. I think doing a training at my own school is great, but to be able to take yourself out of your comfort zone and come into someplace not as familiar with content and with ideas that are not necessarily like what was on your plate at that time, and really kind of helps expand my own self and my own mana'o and my own thoughts on how to progress our hui.
100%. nervous, coming here, but I really enjoyed it. I used to teach ALO classes, and just to kind of get the overall what we're supposed to be teaching our kids at the Hawaiian kids pretty much, and a little bit of everybody. So I wanted to make sure that I was teaching them the right thing. So one of the things that we're going to do is the makahiki at our school. So that's what we're going to go back and talk to the principal about, and see if we can start a new tradition at Waianae High School.
I decided to do this course. I got the experience or the opportunity to work with Maile and Hano at a fish pond, a local ia on Molokai. And when I saw that they were leading this PDE3 course, I was really stoked at the opportunity to learn more from them. They're really inspiring. They have a lot of like ike, but also do a really beautiful job of like making it accessible to everyone, even folks that maybe aren't necessarily from Hawaii or don't have a lot of context. And I really just love how like performative and engaging they are.
To breathe and feed our body, mind, spirit, and soul lose control. Cause the way they going is not the answer. Everybody knows, gotta hammer wire, let the water flow. The optimal human being, touching, feeling, believing. We reaching for the ceiling, to the top of the mountain, achieving, planting, seedling, truth seeking, aloha and the preaching.
Aupuni Palapala is really special to me as an educator here in Hawaii for, I would say, almost 25 years now. I've seen every aspect of being a teacher, from being a homeroom teacher in the DOE to being an immersion teacher in Punana and Kulakai Puni, being a resource teacher, and now being a teaching coach and mentor. And I've seen, because I've experienced those different aspects and forms of being an educator, I could see what kind of needs were needed to be met. And I thought, hey, you know what, I think I can help with this. With my experience and what I see is needed in classrooms, I started to consult and create experiences that, guided teachers through the process of how do we bring this in and then still hit all these standards at the same time and teach tons of different types of learners. And so that is why we created Aupuni Palapala, was because there was a need that needed to be filled. And so we wanted to help with that. And it's been really fun, really successful.
We dedicate ourselves to all the keiki. Socially, culturally, academically, we all make it great for our Hawaii.
Woo! One more time!
I think that grounding it in Hawaiian practices in Hawaii helps us retain that central part and passion of why we all became teachers, and helps perpetuate Hawaiian values and culture. Because otherwise I think we lose it, right? And then what is Hawaii without Hawaiians?
What is Hawaii without Hawaiians?
What is Hawaii without Hawaiians?